Midnight, the world grows quiet. The city lights fade away, but somewhere a bassline awakens across the shoreline, across the hills, across the sleeping island. The sound system is calling, not with words, but with vibration. Follow the echo, follow the rhythm. Your journey begins now. The moon is high above the sea, silver light is touching me. Bass is moving deep and slow, like the tides that gently flow. Every wave and every breeze brings my restless mind to ease. Every heartbeat finds the groove, every soul begins to move. Palm trees dancing in the dark, fireflies shine like tiny sparks. Every echo, every tone makes this island feel like home. Midnight sound system journey through the stars above. Midnight sound system journey powered by peace and love. Midnight sound system journey flowing through my soul. Midnight sound system journey making broken spirits whole. Far away the speakers play, sending bass across the bay. Heavy roots and deep dub flow, like an ancient river's glow. Brothers, sisters gather near, sharing joy without fear. Hand in hand beneath the sky, watching silent clouds drift by. Every rhythm tells a story, every sound reflects the glory of the earth and of the sea, living in harmony. Midnight sound system journey through the stars above. Midnight sound system journey powered by peace and love. Midnight sound system journey flowing through my soul. Midnight sound system journey making broken spirits whole. Bassline rolling, moonlight shining, ocean breathing, perfect timing. Roots vibration, meditation, sound system celebration. One heartbeat, one sound, positive energy all around. Morning colors touch the sky, clouds are slowly floating by. Still the bass remains inside, like the ocean and the tide. Every lesson from the night leads my spirit to the light. Step by step and day by day, music helps me find my way. Roots grow strong beneath the ground, wisdom waiting to be found. Every note and every sound shows connection is ending, but the road continues. The speakers fall silent, yet the bass keeps traveling to the sun, through the water, to the memories of this night. Every echo becomes a footprint, every vibration becomes a story. Carry the rhythm home, carry the roots within, and when the next midnight arrives, listen carefully. You will hear it again, a distant bassline, a familiar call, another midnight sound system journey, waiting beyond the horizon. Forever rolling, forever alive. In the darkness, before the first rhythm, before the first drum, there is a pulse deep beneath the earth, deep beneath the sea, a vibration older than time. Tonight the roots awaken, the bass speaks, and the journey begins. Welcome to the heavy dub roots experience. The night is calm, the stars are bright, bass vibrations fill the night, rolling slowly through the land, like footprints written in the sand. Every heartbeat finds the groove, every spirit starts to move, deep roots growing strong below, like the rivers that always flow. Palm trees whisper in the breeze, nature moving with such ease. Every echo, every tone makes this journey feel like home. Heavy dub roots experience flowing through my soul. Heavy dub roots experience making broken spirits whole. Heavy dub roots experience moving wild and free. Heavy dub roots experience like the waves upon the sea. Sound system standing by the shore, heavy bass forevermore. Speaker boxes tall and wide, sending pressure like the tide. People gather hand in hand, united across the land. Different stories, different names, but the rhythm stays the same. Moonlight shining on the bay, guiding every step and way. Every drum and every beat moves the earth beneath my feet. Heavy dub roots experience flowing through my soul. Heavy dub roots experience making broken spirits whole. Heavy dub roots experience moving wild and free. Heavy dub roots experience like the waves upon the sea. Bass pressure, feel it rise, open up your inner eyes. Echoes travel near and far, guided by the moon and stars. Deep vibration, meditation, roots and dub, one foundation. Morning sunlight starts to glow, still the bassline moves below, like a memory in the air, a reminder pillars rest, but the roots remain. The bass remains, the vibration remains. In every heartbeat, in every memory, in every soul touched by the sound. Until another night, until another gathering, until another bassline calls. Heavy dub roots experience, living in the echoes, living in the roots, forever, forever.
The island sleeps, but the bass is awake. Beneath the moon, beneath the waves, a low vibration travels through the sand, through the roots of the trees, through every heartbeat. Slow down, breathe in. Feel the ocean, feel the bass. This is not just music, this is meditation. Deep bass island meditation. Soft and slow, like the tides that come and go. Palm trees dancing in the dark, fireflies glow like tiny sparks. Every rhythm, every sound brings a deeper peace around. Stars are floating high above, filling up the night with love. Every echo seems to say, leave your worries far away. Like an ancient river's glow. Every drum and every beat moves the earth beneath my feet. Every wave and every breeze brings my restless mind to ease. Brothers, sisters, gather near, sharing joy without fear. One vibration, one embrace, peace and harmony fill the space. Deep bass island meditation, flowing through the sea. Deep bass island meditation, setting my spirit free. Deep bass island meditation, deep inside my soul. Deep bass island meditation, making my heart whole. Low in pressure, ocean treasure, roots and rhythm flow together. Echo drifting, moonlight shining, bassline moving, perfect timing. Close your eyes, feel the tide. Let the vibration be your guide. the ground. Wisdom waiting to be found. Every note and every song shows us where we all belong. Deep bass island meditation flowing through the sea. Deep bass island meditation setting my spirit free. Deep bass island meditation deep inside my soul. Deep bass island meditation making my heart whole. Deep bass island meditation strong as the rising tide. Bass island with the roots as my guide. The moon begins its journey home. The stars slowly disappear. The speakers grow quiet, but the vibration remains. Inside the waves, inside the earth, inside every heartbeat, carry this bass, carry this peace, carry this island spirit. Beyond the shoreline, beyond the horizon, beyond the night. Deep bass island meditation, a rhythm without end, a vibration without borders, forever flowing, forever returning like the tide.
Slow down. Take a deep breath. Leave your worries behind. The night is open. The stars are listening, and the bass is waiting. Feel the vibration deep in your chest, deep in your mind. Welcome to the therapy of roots and bass. Oh yeah. The moon is shining on the sea. Cool night wine is setting me free. Bass is moving soft and low, like a river's endless flow. Every heartbeat finds the groove. Every spirit starts to move. No more stress and no more pain. Only peace like gentle rain. Palm trees dancing in the breeze. Nature singing with ease. Every sound and every tone makes this journey feel like home. Deep reggae bass therapy flowing through my soul. Deep reggae bass therapy making broken spirits whole. Deep reggae bass therapy take my worries away. Deep reggae bass therapy guide me through the day. Sound system standing by the shore. Heavy bass forevermore. Hold up echoes fill the night. Dancing in the moonlight bright. Ocean waves and roots combine. Moving with the grand design. Every rhythm, every beat brings the earth beneath my feet. Brothers, sisters, side by side, moving with the ocean tide. One vibration, one embrace, sharing love in every place. Deep reggae bass therapy flowing through my soul. Deep reggae bass therapy making broken spirits whole. Deep reggae bass therapy take my
energy start to grow. Echoes drifting through the sky. Lift your spirit, let it fly. One rhythm, one sound, healing vibrations all around. Close your eyes, let it be. Feel the bass therapy. Morning sunlight starts to rise. Golden colors fill the skies. Still the rhythm stays inside, like the ocean and the tide. Every lesson from the night helps me see a brighter light. Step by step and day by day, music helps me find my way. Roots are deep beneath the ground. Strength is where true peace is found. Every note and every song reminds us where we belong. Deep reggae bass therapy flowing through my soul. Deep reggae bass therapy making broken spirits whole. Deep reggae bass therapy take my worries away. Deep reggae bass therapy guide me through the day. Deep reggae bass therapy strong as the ocean tide. Deep reggae bass therapy with love as my guide. The bass grows softer, but the healing remains. In the ocean, in the trees, in the wind, and inside every heartbeat. Carry this vibration, carry this peace. Wherever you go, the roots remain, the rhythm remains, the bass remains. Deep reggae bass therapy until the next sunset. Until the next sound system session. One love, one bass, fade away.
Gather around, the night is alive. The speakers are ready, the roots are calling. From the old earth, from the deep waters, from the heartbeat of the people. Feel the bass, feel the foundation. Tonight we return to the roots. Welcome to the Roots Revival Bass Session. The moon shines bright upon the sea. Cool night winds are setting me free. Bassline rolling deep and slow, like an ancient river flow. Every heartbeat finds the groove, every soul begins to move. Old traditions come alive, through the rhythm we survive. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, nature moving with such ease. Every echo, every sound brings a deeper peace around. Roots Revival Bass Session, moving through the night. Roots Revival Bass Session, everything feels right. Roots Revival Bass Session, flowing through my soul. Roots Revival Bass Session, making broken spirits whole. Sound system standing proud and tall, heavy vibrations touching all. Old dub echoes fill the air, positive energy everywhere. Brother, sister, side
ancient roots start to grow. Echoes drifting near and far, guided by the moon and stars. One people, one sound, strong vibrations all around. Close your eyes, feel the flow. Let the roots inside you grow. Morning sunlight starts to rise, golden colors fill the skies. Still the rhythm stays within, like the wind upon my skin. Every lesson from the night helps me see a clearer light. Step by step and day by day, music shows a better way. Roots are deep beneath the ground, strength and wisdom can be found. Every note and every song shows us where we all belong. Roots Revival Bass Session, moving through the night. Roots Revival Bass Session, everything feels right. Oh, Roots Revival Bass Session, flowing through my soul. Roots Revival Bass Session, making broken spirits whole. Roots Revival Bass Session, strong as the ocean tide. Roots Revival Bass Session, with love as our guide. The speakers grow silent, but the vibration remains. In the roots, in the mountains, in the ocean waves, and inside every heart. The session may end, but the journey continues. Carry the rhythm, carry the wisdom, carry the bass, until we gather again under another moon, beside another sound system. One love, one roots, one bassline. Roots Revival Bass Session, forever fade into the echoes.
Boom, 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 boom. Feel like vibration, not just a sound, a heartbeat. From the islands, from the roots, from the earth beneath your feet. The stars are watching, the ocean is breathing, and the bass is speaking slowly, deeply, naturally. Let the pressure fade away, let the rhythm guide your mind. Welcome to island bass meditation. Night falls softly on the bay, ocean waves begin to play. Bassline moving calm and slow, like the tides that gently flow. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, nature moving with such ease. Every heartbeat finds a place, floating in this peaceful space. Moonlight shining on the sand, magic flowing through the land. Every echo, every tone makes this island feel like home. Island bass meditation, flowing through the sea. Island bass meditation, setting my spirit free. Island bass meditation, deep inside
vibrations through the bay. Heavy bass beneath the stars, traveling near and traveling far. Every rhythm tells a tale, carried by the midnight gale. Every drum and every beat moves the earth beneath my feet. Brothers, sisters, gather near, sharing love without fear. One vibration, one embrace, peace and harmony in this place. Silent bass meditation flowing through the sea. Island bass meditation setting my spirit free. Oh, island bass meditation deep inside my soul. Island bass meditation making my heart whole. Bass below, stars above, roots and rhythm, peace and love. Echoes drifting through the night, guided by the moonlight. Slow vibration, meditation. Island roots, celebration. Morning colors touch the sky, clouds are slowly floating by. Still the bass remains inside, like the ocean and the tide. Every lesson from the night leads my spirit to the light. Step by step and day by day, music helps me find my way. Roots grow deep beneath the ground, strength and wisdom can be found. Every note and every song shows us where we all belong. Island bass meditation flowing through the sea. Island bass meditation setting my spirit free. Oh, island bass meditation deep inside my soul. Oh, island bass meditation making my heart go. Island bass meditation, strong as the rising tide. Island bass meditation with the roots as my guide. The last speaker fades, but the vibration continues. Across the water, across the islands, across the generations, the bass becomes the ocean becomes the rhythm becomes the memory. Carry it with you, wherever the road may lead. One heartbeat, one bassline, one island vibration. Until the next session, until the next moonrise. Island bass meditation, still echoing, still flowing, still alive. Feel that vibration, not just a sound, a heartbeat. From the islands, from the roots, from the earth beneath your feet. The stars are watching, the ocean is breathing, and the bass is speaking. Slowly, deeply, naturally, let the pressure fade away. Let the rhythm guide your mind. Welcome to island bass meditation. tides that gently flow. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, nature moving with such ease. Every heartbeat finds a place, floating in this peaceful space. Moonlight shining on the sand, magic flowing through the land. Every echo, every tone makes this island feel like home. My island-based meditation flowing through the sea. Island-based meditation, setting my spirit free by island-based meditation. Deep inside my soul, oh, island-based meditation, making my heart whole. Da 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 da. Far away the speakers play, sending vibrations through the bay. Heavy bass beneath the stars, traveling near and traveling far. Every rhythm tells a tale, carried by the midnight gale. Every drum and every beat moves the earth beneath my feet. Brothers, sisters, gather near, sharing love without fear. One vibration, one embrace, peace and harmony in this place. Island-based meditation, flowing through the sea. Island-based meditation, setting my spirit free. Island-based meditation, deep inside my soul. Oh, island-based meditation, making my heart whole. Bass below, stars above, roots and rhythm, peace and love. Echoes drifting through the night, guided by the moonlight. Slow vibration, meditation, island root celebration. Morning colors touch the sky, clouds are slowly floating by. Still the bass remains inside, like the ocean and the tide. Every lesson from the night leads my spirit to the light. Step by step and day by day, music helps me find my way. Roots grow deep beneath the ground, strength and wisdom can be found. Every note and every song shows us where we all belong. Island-based meditation, flowing through the sea. Island-based meditation, setting my spirit free. Island-based meditation, deep inside my soul. Oh, island-based meditation, making my heart whole. Island-based meditation, strong as the rising tide. Island-based meditation, with the roots as my guide. The last speaker fades, but the vibration continues across the water, across the islands, across the generations. The bass becomes the ocean becomes the rhythm becomes the memory carried with you. Wherever the road may lead, one heartbeat, one bassline, one island vibration, until the next session, until the next session, until the next moonrise. Island deep in the night. Can you feel it? The earth is breathing. The speakers are calling from the mountains to the shoreline. One rhythm, one vibration. Heavy roots, heavy bass, dub pressure, right.
Bassline rolling across the land, like a heartbeat through every hand. Old oak trees sway in time,
vibration remains in the earth, in the sea, in every heartbeat. Heavy roots, heavy bass, heavy pressure. Forever, dub lives on. Dub lives on.
Midnight. The city sleeps, but the sound is awake. Far beyond the lights, beyond the noise, a bassline is calling. From the shoreline to the mountains, one sound system, one vibration, one journey. Tonight we travel through the rhythm. Upon the sea, cool night winds all around. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Let your consciousness grow. Far away into the night, guided by the bassline light. Morning slowly comes in sight, still we carry through the night. Every lesson, every song shows us where we all belong. Roots run deep beneath the ground. Strength is where true love is found. Like the waves upon the sea, music sets the spirit free. Through the darkness, through the dawn, the vibration carries on. Every echo leaves a trace in the heart of every place. Midnight sound system journey through the stars above. Midnight sound system journey, powered by peace and love. Midnight sound system journey, bass vibration strong. Midnight sound system journey, where every soul belongs. Midnight sound system journey, feel the energy rise. Midnight sound system journey, beneath the endless skies. The night is fading, the stars grow dim, but the vibration remains. In the ocean, in the wind, in the roots, and within. Every heartbeat, every memory, every echo carries the journey on. One sound, one people, one love, one bassline, until the next midnight. The sound system lives on. Fade into the horizon, fade into the rhythm, fade into the roots forever.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Gather close, the fire is burning, the night is listening, and the roots are calling. From old generations, from distant islands, from forgotten stories, a bassline rises from the earth, a rhythm rises from the people, a vibration rises from within. Tonight, we celebrate the foundation. Tonight, we enter the roots, revival bass session. The moon shines bright upon the shore. Bass is calling more and more, rolling deep beneath the sky. As the silent clouds drift by, palm trees dancing in the breeze, nature moving with such ease. Every heartbeat finds the groove, every spirit starts to move. Ocean waves and roots combine, flowing with the grand design. Every
Far away the speakers play, sending bass across the bay. Heavy roots and deep dub flow, like an ancient river's glow. Brothers, sisters, gather near, sharing love without fear. Hand in hand beneath the stars, healing all and hidden scars. Every rhythm tells a story, every sound reflects the glory of the earth and of the sea, living in harmony. Roots Revival Day Session, moving through the night. Roots Revival Day Session, everything feels right. Oh yeah. Roots Revival Day Session, flowing through my soul. Roots Revival Day Session, making broken spirits whole. Roots vibration, bass meditation, deep foundation, celebration. Echoes drifting far and wide, like the ocean, like the tide. One heartbeat, one sound, positive energy all around. Morning sunlight fills the sky, clouds are slowly floating by. Still the bass remains inside, like the ocean and the tide. Every lesson from the night leads my spirit to the light. Step by step and day by day, music helps me find my way. Roots grow strong beneath the ground, wisdom waiting to be found. Every note and every song shows us where we all belong. Roots Revival Day Session, moving through the night. Roots Revival Day Session, everything feels right. Oh yeah. Roots Revival Day Session, flowing through my soul. Roots Revival Day Session, making broken spirits whole. Roots Revival Day Session, strong as the ocean tide. Roots Revival Day Session, with the roots as my guide. The fire burns low, the stars begin to fade. The speakers rest, but the roots remain. In every heartbeat, in every memory, in every vibration shared tonight. The session is never truly